Hello and welcome in section 2. Here we'll be solving computer vision problems. And we will start with the task of preparing the VGG16 model, the pre-trained model for image classification. So your task is to write a script to import and load a pre-trained VGG16 model from Keras. And just a quick word why this problem is important. If you want to use a pre-trained computer vision models from Keras, you have to do this step. This is the absolute main step that you have to do. So right now, pause the video and try to solve this problem. Take as much time as you need, and in a moment we'll see the solution. Let's have a look at the solution. So the first thing that we have to find out from Keras documentation is where we can get the pre-trained models. And all of those models are available in Keras applications package. And we are interested in importing the VGG16 model, so we need to import the VGG16 class from the actual package for this model. And later on in the next challenges, this information is very important since each pre-trained model has their own utility functions that you have to actually use when using those models. But you'll solve those challenges in the next videos, and here we just want to get ready for image classification. So what we basically are doing here is that we're getting the class from the right place, from the right package, which is Keras applications VGG16. And then we need to just create a new model out of this VGG16 class. And there's nothing special about this code, so let's just run it. And I hope that you find this solution. Okay, so our code just printed the model, and this model is ready for image classification. And we need to do a couple of different things to do that, but those will be the next challenges.